Good morning, dear students. I hope all are healthy. Dear students, in the previous class, we have discussed about the very important concepts like meaning of tissues and one more very important topic that is nothing but the division of labor in multicellular organisms and the difference between plant tissue and animal tissue. I hope you are already completed the homework whatever I given in the previous class. Dear children, in this class we are going to discuss about the different kinds of the tissues. Particularly if you come to the one more very important topic, that is particularly the tissues in that the plant tissues and as well as animal tissues. We are going to discuss about the types of plant tissues in this class. See, majorly in the plant tissues, there are the mainly two types of the plant tissues are there. That is meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Do you know where the meristematic tissues is present? Yes. So this meristematic tissues is present particularly where the growth of the plant that will be takes place. In that region only these meristematic tissues is present. Dear children, again the meristematic tissue has three types, that is apical meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue and lateral meristematic tissue. How many types of the meristematic tissues are there? Yes, there are three types of meristematic tissues are there. So that is 1 apical meristematic tissue, 2 intercalary meristematic tissue and 3 that is nothing but lateral meristematic tissue. And if you come to the one more type of the plant tissue, that is called as permanent tissue. Here also in the permanent tissue is again divided into two types. That is what we call it as number 1 simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Again this simple permanent tissue has been divided into three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And again the complex permanent tissue is divided into two types, that is xylem and phloem. Dear children, have you observed the flow chart? So plant tissue is again divided into two types. One is meristematic tissue and second one is permanent tissue. If you come to the meristematic tissue, again it has been divided into three types. So that is apical meristematic tissue, second one intercalary meristematic tissue, third one lateral meristematic tissue. If you come to the permanent tissues, so again that permanent tissue has been classified into two types. So which are those? As 1 simple permanent tissue, number 2 is complex permanent tissue. Again dear children, simple permanent tissue has been classified into three types, that is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue again divided into two types, that is xylem and phloem. So I hope my dear children you are already understand the flow chart of different types of the plant tissues. Yes, now we are going to move next slide, that is meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue is found in the growing regions of the plant like plant root, plant tip, stem and branches of the plant. Again they will be divided continuously and help in growth of a new plant. There are three types, that is apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissue and intercalary meristematic tissue. Do you know apical meristematic tissues is present in the tip of the stems and as well as roots. Do you know where the apical meristematic tissues is present? As dear children, the apical meristematic tissue is present in tip of the stem and roots, and this will be very helpful to growth of the plant stem and roots. Then the second type of the meristematic tissue that is called as lateral meristematic tissue. Do you know where these lateral meristematic tissues is present? Yes, these lateral meristematic tissues is present in sides of the stem and root. These lateral meristematic tissues is very helpful to increase the girth of the stem and root. So which means girth means the size. These lateral meristematic tissues is very helpful to increase the size of the stem and roots. Next, third type of the meristematic tissue, that is what we call it as intercalary meristematic tissues. Dear children, these intercalary meristematic tissues are present at the base of the leaves and nodes and internodes region. So these will be very helpful to growth of the leaf. I hope, dear children, these meristematic tissues and types you are understand properly. Yes, dear children, one more very important type of the tissue, that is what we call it as permanent tissues, that we will be discussed in the next class. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.